Hi everyone, happy Friday! If we were still in school, you would be in the field and I would be in meetings. So instead, it's Messy Monday because I'm cleaning my house, getting ready for my daughters to come home. I have a couple of things I wanted to share with you today. The first is this. As we are washing our hands so diligently, make sure you clean off your phone. Now, this is a great way to do it. This is just a little alcohol pad, and I just take it and wipe off my phone and wipe off the back, because those phones have a ton of germs on them. You know you have them with you all the time. I know that. So that's my first little homework assignment. Clean off your phone. The second thing I really want to share with you today is reading aloud. So I hope you're reading your book that you're going to share with me and tell me why I should read it or not. Reading a book for fun, I hope that's happening. When you are the teacher, reading aloud is just so fun and kids love it. And it doesn't take very much prep. So I wanted to remind you of that today. I just think it's fantastic. On Ellen, her Instagram, that's backwards. Anyway, she posted the hashtag save with stories, and that has celebrities reading books aloud. I thought that was a great idea. So that is a great resource for you, even if you don't have students right now, but that's a good resource for you in the future as well. Today I wanted to share some other books that I absolutely love, and I do believe that love is going to heal the world, so I'm going to share some books that have to do with love. This one, The Mastery of Love, by Don Miguel Ruiz, probably one of my favorite books of all time, changed my life literally. After I'd read this book about 4 times, I met Scott. So that's a good one. This one, Peter McCarty, is called Henry in Love, and it's all about Henry and Chloe at school, and they fall in love. Really cute book. This one is All You Need Is Love, illustrated by John Lennon and Paul McCartney. That's a great one as well. This one, Love Matters. I just got sidetracked, sorry. Love Matters Most. Again, another really great story about love, by Midge Kelly and Jerry Turley. And this one is called Love by Matt De La Pena and Lauren Long. So I hope you'll find some love books to add to your collection. Today, however, I'm not going to read a love book necessarily, but I've been hearing about people turning on their Christmas lights, so I thought I'd share my book, Christmas Underwear. I'm not really sure how to flip it so that you can actually see. Anyway, here we go. This is my book I wrote, Christmas Underwear by Carrie Meeson Francis, illustrated by Addison Welch. Dedicated to my mom and dad, my first and best teachers. Dad chose the present, the one and only gift to be opened on Christmas Eve. Molly's tummy churned with excitement as she patiently waited, as patiently as a 5-year-old could, for her turn. It was a rule that everyone took turns to open gifts so that the giver could be properly recognized and thanked. Wrapped in red and green paper sat her one special gift. A sparkly red bow, Molly's favorite color, adorned the top of the package. "Go ahead and open it, Molly," coaxed her dad with a slight grin. "It's your turn." Peeling back the paper ever so carefully, in case Grandma Joy wanted to save it, Molly began unwrapping. Now I have to tell you right here, I have a Grandma Joy. She passed away, but whenever we had Christmas or birthday, she would always say, "Save the wrapping paper for me. I want the wrapping paper." So that's why I put that in the story. Molly began unwrapping. She felt something soft and squishy and imagined a new stuffed animal or some fuzzy slippers. What? What was this? Underwear? Molly's lip began to quiver. She tried hard not to cry, but why would her dad give her underwear as her special Christmas gift? The disappointment quickly turned to anger. She was furious. Was this a joke? Glancing at her father's hazel eyes, then at the bright lights of the Christmas tree, Molly flung the package smack into the middle of the tree. I don't want stupid underwear, sobbed Molly. I want a different present. Silence. The family froze. None of the other children had complained. In fact, they had graciously thanked their parents. Suddenly, Molly was sick inside. Every member of her family was glaring at her. Dad slowly motioned her to come and sit on his knee. I love this picture because notice the little nutcracker. I think that's so fun. In a firm but friendly voice, Dad spoke. When I was a little boy, we were very poor. One particular holiday season will forever be etched in my memory. Grandpa George had died, and Grandma was doing everything she could just to keep our growing bodies fed. Our kind neighbors and friends donated food and small amounts of money to assist us, but there was no money for extra gifts. On Christmas morning, my sisters and I were surprised to be gifted one beautifully wrapped present. Can you guess what our present was? Molly gulped, then whispered, underwear. Yes, responded Dad. One new pair of bright white underwear. I still recall the smell of clean cotton and the slight stiffness in the fabric. I was delighted to get those underwear. Such a small, simple gift, but a very necessary item. Dad chuckled and gazed lovingly at Molly. A gift is special no matter what, because someone thought enough about you to give it to you. Someone spent time and energy to choose the perfect present just for you. And whether you like it or not, it is still a gift. I want you to be grateful for every gift, be it a new doll or a shiny bike, a t-shirt, or new underwear, whether you like it or not. Gratitude is the key to abundance. And my Christmas wish is that you will always be grateful. And remember, any gift is special because it is a gift. Covering her face with two tiny hands, Molly snuggled in closer to her dad. Still crying with embarrassment and regret, she mustered up enough courage to glance at the family. I am sorry. I am really, really sorry. As only a loving father can, Molly's dad squoze her tightly. I know you are. I love you, little bug. Molly hopped off Dad's lap and scurried over to the tree. She carefully reached through the branches and collected her priceless gift. Hugging the small package close to her heart, she expressed, I love my Christmas underwear. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And again, there's the little nutcracker. This is the afterword. And this is a picture of me when I was about 5. Every Christmas thereafter, Molly anxiously awaited her Christmas Eve gift, and yes, it was always underwear. She graciously thanked the giver and remembered her father's wise words. Any gift is special because it is a gift. And this story is based on a true story when I was about 5, and I actually did that horrible thing. Whenever I read this to kids, they're always like, did you really do that? Anyway, it's funny. I wanted to share, this is a picture of my kids, and they get underwear every year for Christmas. So, It has become a tradition for our family, and the message of any gift is special because it is a gift. I hope you enjoyed my book. And I read where, people are turning on their Christmas lights because we can't gather in groups, but that is a way that we can enjoy one another. I doubt I'm going to get Scott to put the Christmas lights back up, but maybe my Christmas story can lighten your heart today. I am also going to post the chapters of Clementine. We haven't quite finished that in class, so I'm going to actually read the whole thing, but I'll just post each one as a chapter. I believe as a group we're on chapter 7, so you can listen to that if you want to. All right, stay home today, but change the world. I love you guys. I miss you. I know you're doing amazing things regardless of where you are, and praying that you are staying healthy and being very smart about everything. Okay, see you soon. Bye.